Welcome as we embark on this transformative 15-minute beginner mindfulness meditation. Find yourself in a comfortable position as you close your eyes. Picture your life as a flowing river, constantly evolving and meandering through the diverse landscapes of experience. Inhale deeply, like a river drawing in the essence of the present moment. And exhale, letting go of any attachments, like leaves gently drifting away from the current. Sense the freedom in allowing the river of life to chart its own course, unhindered by the weight of expectations. Breathe in the fluidity of non-attachment and exhale any resistance, witnessing the beauty of life's unfolding river. Inhaling the river's wisdom as you're able to witness your thoughts flowing past you like leaves on a river stream, and exhaling any unnecessary baggage that you may feel you carry around. Inhaling and exhaling here as you find yourself immersed in this present moment. Shifting your focus to the transformative virtue of acceptance and letting go. Envision acceptance as the river banks that guide the flow of your life. Inhale the understanding that acceptance doesn't imply passive surrender, but rather a conscious choice to navigate the twists and turns with grace. Exhale, letting go of resistance, allowing the river of acceptance to carry you forward. Picture the river banks as a symbol of embracing what is as you continue to breathe. Feel the gentle release of clinging to what was or what might be. Inhale acceptance and exhale resistance. Letting the river of life flow with ease between the banks of acceptance. Inhaling to feel your load lighten. And exhaling to let go of anything that tries to attach itself to you. Moving deeper into the realm of profound healing, allowing the river to guide you. Visualize healing as the crystal clear waters of a pristine river, cascading over rocks and cleansing everything in its path. Imagine the landscapes as the water flows in a continuous stream, moving as one. Inhale the revitalizing energy of this healing river. And exhale, releasing any lingering discomfort into its purifying current. Feel the gentle yet powerful flow of healing energy permeating every cell, renewing your body, mind, and spirit. Breathe in the purity of healing. Exhale any remnants of discomfort, letting the river of healing wash away any burdens. Inhaling renewal, feeling revitalized, and exhaling any discomfort or tension. As you continue to breathe, focus on positive affirmations that resonate within you, aligning them with the river's wisdom. Picture affirmations as colorful flowers lining the riverbanks, each one representing a positive thought. Inhale the vibrant energy of these affirmations and exhale, let them take root in the fertile soil of your mind. Inhale as you see the colors of love. And exhale to watch the flower fully blossom as it takes root in your mind. Inhaling and witnessing the colors of peace. And exhaling to witness them fully bloom and take root in your mind. Sense the transformative power of positive thoughts blooming like flowers along the river of your consciousness. Breathe in the positivity of affirmations, knowing you are worthy, you are joy, you are peace, and you are everything that you will ever need. And exhaling any lingering negativity, watching the garden of your mind flourish. Watch the flow of the river become more serene, feeling its tranquility, inhaling the calm of a trickling stream, and exhaling as you watch your thoughts gently flow away like leaves carried by the water. Looking up, picturing your mind as a vast sky, with thoughts passing by like clouds. Inhaling tranquility, and exhaling any mental chatter, letting it go. Feel the spaciousness and clarity within, like a serene sky untouched by passing clouds. Allow the river of tranquility to carry away any turbulence, embracing the profound stillness surrounding you Inhale the deep, tranquil silence. And exhale, releasing the noise within and around you. Picture yourself in a sanctuary of stillness, where the only sound is the rhythmic dance of your breath. Breathe in the peace of stillness and exhale any disturbances, letting the river of stillness carry you into a state of profound serenity. Feel your physical and mental state as you lean into relaxation, mirroring the gentle flow of the river as you soften your muscles. Inhaling serenity, filling every muscle and fiber of your being. As you exhale, release tension and stress, allowing the river of relaxation to carry away any knots or tension. Picture a warm, loving energy enveloping you, a comforting cocoon to carry you downstream. With each breath, let go of worries. Inhale love. Exhale gratitude, allowing relaxation to permeate every corner of your being like a gentle, soothing breeze. Tapping into your heart, allow gratitude to flow freely, much like the river's current. Inhale the essence of thankfulness, being reminded for all you are blessed with in this life and taking a moment to feel it deeply in your core. And exhale, releasing any remnants of scarcity in your mentality. Picture your heart expanding with each expression of gratitude, creating a magnetic field of abundance. Breathe in the richness of gratitude and exhale any remnants of ingratitude. Allowing the river of gratitude to irrigate the garden of your heart. As we conclude, I acknowledge the spiritual connection within you, recognizing that you are a vessel of light, a unique expression of the universe, floating along the river of existence. In this sacred space, I acknowledge the interconnectedness of all beings, feeling the threads of unity weaving through the tapestry of life's river. The divine in me honors the divine in you. Carry the peace and wisdom gained from this flowing journey into your day and night. Remember to breathe, inhaling the beauty of existence and exhaling gratitude for the vast river within you. You are a radiant beacon of light, acceptance, and mindfulness. Namaste.